Hi friends, let me show you this new bathroom light fixture that I received for viewing purposes. It is a nice lamp. Let me show you. And it's interesting because you can install it vertically or horizontally, okay? Let me show you. This is the lamp's base, okay? You can install it, as I tell you, horizontally or vertically. And these ones are the sides of the lamp. The actual light will come through this nice round glass. You are going to screw them here. Like that. You can use it this way, vertically or horizontally. It's up to 22 inches. It's really nice, as you can see. The base is a really elegant black and it will give a really nice light. Let's install it. Now we have it installed. As you can see, it looks pretty in our new bathroom, and look how nice it brights. The air bubbles give it a really nice look, and it will give enough light for your bathroom, okay? And remember, you can change the light temperature with this lamp. Let me show you. This is like a warm light. This is a neutral light, and this is a cool light. So depending on what you want, how you want it to work, you can change it really easily here. Great, thanks.